Hey y'all, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to cook some stove top macaroni and cheese. That means I'm not going to bake it. So I'm putting the salt in because I usually do that to keep the macaroni from sticking when I pour it in the water. So I'm not going to cook a whole lot. But we are going to have a simple supper. So I can tell y'all what we're going to have for supper. Like I say, it's going to be a simple supper, but it's mac and cheese, pork chop, rice, and sweet peas. So I see you in a little bit. Okay, now what I'm doing now is I'm going to get in the water off the macaroni, and then I'm going to rinse it off. I'm going to put a little salt on the macaroni. I don't use a lot of salt on it because cheese by itself is salty. And like I said, I'm going to use Velveeta cheese. And I'm going to put a little Parmesan cheese in it also. Okay, so now you can see the pepper in it. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to pour some milk in it. So I put a little butter in my macaroni and cheese. And then I'm going to put some mozzarella. No, I'm sorry, not mozzarella. Parmesan cheese with it. Have a good day.